with the sale that we've had going on, I've had a lot of new people or a lot of people buying the foundation maybe for the first time. And so I wanted to just do a quick little tutorial on the foundation because it is a little bit of a learning curve for it if you've never used it before. It's wax-based and it is a cream foundation, so it's a little bit different. And with Limelife's foundation, it is 50% pigmented, whereas most of what you buy over the counter is going to be like 18 to 23% pigmented. So that's a big difference, and so that's one of the reasons that it takes so much less of your Limelife foundation. So anyway, I just wanted to come in here and do a quick little tutorial for y'all, just in case this is the first time you've used it. So two ways. We have which you can use any sponge, but the Blenderful is Limelife sponge. It's non-latex, and it really does make a difference in the sponge that you use and how it goes on and how it lays on your face. So I like to wet my sponge and just squeeze it out, really get all the water out of it, just so it's barely damp. And then you can also use a brush. So if you use your sponge, that's going to give you more of a full coverage, and you can build it up. And if you use your brush, that to me is going to be more of a sheer coverage. Also, the first thing you're going to want to do when you put on your foundation, or before you put on your foundation, is use your moisturizer. So whatever moisturizer that you have for your skin type, you want to put that on because that's really going to help it go on smoother. And when you do your skincare, be sure that you put it on and let it sit there for around 10 minutes if you can, just to let it soak into your skin. That's really going to make a difference in how your foundation goes on. Another thing that you can do with the foundation is mix an oil like Due Date with it. That will give you more of a sheer coverage and make it more like a liquid. Okay, so here we go. If you're using the Blenderful, you want to just do like a little half twist. I know it doesn't seem like much, but I promise it goes a long way. So what you want to do is just press. You notice I'm not rubbing the foundation on. The foundation is made to lay on top of your skin, not seep into your pores. It's made to be like a second skin. So you just want to kind of press and dab all over your face. And I'll usually do one side with that half twist and then go in another half twist and do the other. And can y'all see how the coverage I get from just that little half twist that I did? And like I said, you can always build it up. You definitely want to start out with less. Now, when I get to my neck, I do like to kind of just swipe it down just to bring the color down. You can see just with those two little half twists, I get some good coverage. Okay, so I'm going to stop that and show y'all with the brush. So if you use a brush, like I said, you can pump a little Due Date in there or your oil, and I just usually do a little bit like that, and then just circular motions. And like I said, with the brush, you'll get more of a sheer coverage. So just circular motions. And this is the number 17 diffuser brush, but any kind of dense brush that you have, you can see kind of will do fine. Okay, so, and then I would just come on down and always get on into your neck. Remember, you want your foundation to match your chest and neck. You want to bring whatever color you have here up to your face. Less is more with this foundation. Start off with a very little bit. You're going to be surprised how far it goes and how much coverage you get with just a little bit. So if y'all have any questions, please let me know. I hope this was helpful to y'all.